Hey folks, what's going on? This is Wesley billion dollar Virgin with another make money online video. In this video, I'm gonna show you an app that I'm using right now that only takes an iPhone or an iPad, and it will pay you hundreds of dollars. You don't have to spend any money, and I'm gonna show you proof in this video. Now, the first thing you want to do is this. Instagram. How many of you have an Instagram account? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to do this with you, okay? Let me go to my Instagram account, okay? This is the Instagram account. You need to create a brand new Instagram account, okay? That's important. That is the first step of the process. Not your Instagram account, a new one. That makes sense? So what I've done, I've already created a brand new Instagram account right here. It's called Love Cats Like This. Now listen, I will explain. This is why you need to listen to make money online now to the very end of the video, right? Because you might say, Wesley, why does that say Love Cats Like This? It's important to pay attention, okay? So the first thing you want to do is you want to create an account that says Love Cats Like This, okay? And then what you want to do is you want to go to a site like this, Cats of Instagram. Now what we're doing here, so you'll understand what I'm doing for you right now to make money online easily, is we're going to build up this account with some followers, okay? And we're gonna do it for free, and we're gonna do it on autopilot. And as a bonus, you can use this for your regular IG account. It doesn't matter, it works, okay? Now listen, so Cats of Instagram, here we go. We wanna click right here, and we're gonna type it in. Why is that important? Because what we wanna do is we wanna build up this account, because I'm gonna show you where we're gonna take the new Instagram account and we're gonna move it and basically to another website, and it's gonna give us money, okay? Right into your PayPal account, and guess what? It's worldwide. And the reason why, this is what we're gonna do. So we're gonna follow this page. And not only that, we're gonna go to this 11.6 million followers. Now it's important to do that because we only wanna follow pages that get one that has a lot of followers and have a lot of engagement, right? And I'm gonna explain why that's important as you watch the video now, okay? Makes sense? So we're gonna click on the followers here. I'm gonna start to follow. Now why are we doing this? Well, we want these people to basically follow us back, okay? And as I continue to follow my page, usually when people follow you back. But number two, let me share what you need to do on this page here, the Cats of Instagram, okay? You wanna right click, because you need to start putting content on your page, okay? That makes sense? You wanna click on this beautiful cat here. Oh, and listen, you're gonna download these videos, okay? Only download videos that get high engagement. You see that's 279,000 views, 717 comments. So this is a great video that we wanna download. How do you download? Easy, right click. Just go to the address bar. Okay, you wanna copy that link, and you wanna go to a site such as downloadinstagramvideos.com. It's very easy to do. You're gonna love this. I know you guys are liking this right now. Listen, and just hit download Instagram, and it's gonna download right to your laptop for free, okay? Makes sense? You download the video, it goes right to your computer, it will go back to your phone, it will go to your iPad or your phone, and you got it. Now, you're gonna take that video, and you're gonna go back to your page, right? Your brand new page that you created. That makes sense? Let me go back here, give me a second here, boop, boop, boop. Okay, here we go. And then what you wanna do is upload that video using your iPhone or your iPad, or any phone, it doesn't matter. Android, doesn't matter. You wanna upload that video, and make sure, now this is important, make sure when you upload, you give credits to Cats of Instagram, okay? Now I know you guys are like, Wesley, how am I gonna make money with cats? Just listen, I'm gonna show you, okay? I'm doing it for free, so go ahead and smash the like button, right? Because I'm giving you value here. Now listen, what you wanna do is, you wanna take about 10 of these videos, okay? As long as you give the people like this guy credit, it's fine. You can use his videos, as long as you give him photo or video credit. So you take about 10 to 15 of these videos. Why? Because you want your account to look like his, similar, right? And then once you do that, now it's time for you to go here and follow and follow and follow and follow. And listen, you don't need any type of uniform to do this. You can be wearing your drawers, you could be wearing panties, you could be in bed, you could be on the toilet, but this is all you do. This is a secret that a lot of internet marketers do, and they make a ton of money. I'm gonna be honest with you. I did it for myself. I made like $700, and it's really easy to do. You just follow. Right, now listen, don't follow too much. I say follow about maybe 100 and wait an hour, then follow another 100, right? Follow about 1,000 people, because the key is this. You want to get your account, which has no followers. Basically, you want to get people following you. But listen, when you follow people, more than likely they will follow you back because your profile is similar to what they already follow. Does that make sense? Is everybody with me so far, okay? And trust me, in the next videos, I'm gonna show you how people will follow you naturally, because I'm gonna have a nice picture of a cat here, right? And basically, see, look, let me show you something. Let's just do it right now. Look at that. I can take this guy's picture right here if I want to, all right? You can get another picture. You get a picture of your cat. It doesn't matter. Give a cute picture of a cat, all right? Boom, boom, boom. Bye! Look, mine, it looks almost similar like his, right? I have the cat, so all I need now is post. So what I want to do is I want to download about 10 of his most popular videos, okay? And then I want to upload it here, okay? This is called a niche. This is the cat niche, right? Then once you do that, then you go here and just start following people. What we're trying to do is this. We want to build up our profile to about 1,000 or 5,000 followers, because this other website that I'm about to show you in 60 seconds is going to pay you money for doing this. That's crazy, right? That's no money. It's just time. That's all what it is. And listen, if you want to make money online, you cannot be lazy, all right? And I know what you're thinking. Wesley, I love you. I'm going to smash the like button because you're transparent. As you notice, I don't edit my videos much. Look, I have no ring light. It's just me. Let's go! If you like my energy, smash the like button. So, I know what you're thinking. Okay, Wesley, what website can I take this? Let's imagine that we spend an hour. We're following people, right? We're going through here like Wesley Virgin says. You know, we're liking Wesley Virgin because he's giving so much value here. Follow. And as a matter of fact, I do this. I do this. It just, to me, it's just extra money. Follow. See how they stop me? So that means I need to pause for a second. So I got to wait about 15, maybe 30 minutes, and I stop follow. But let me go back. Let's see if I got any follows. So now check this out. It's very important to make sure before you start to follow people that you have populated your page with videos from the page that you're duplicating. Does that make sense? It's very important, okay? Because when people come from the cat site to your site, they're gonna be like, oh, I like cats, so they're gonna engage. They're not just going to be there, they're going to engage, all right? As you put more cat videos. It's powerful. Now, listen, this is the website that's gonna pay you a ton of money if you get this up to 1,000 to 5,000, 10,000 followers using this free strategy. They will send you PayPal money, $600 here, $700, $100, and they'll do it like every single day if you do it exactly like I've showed you on this Making Money Online video for free, okay? Now check it out. So we go to buy Instagram, socialtradia.com is the website that you need to go to basically take that Instagram account and you want to place it here. Make sense? Because they're going to pay you. It's crazy. Look, $230. This person's going to get paid for an 8,000 follower account. So once you get your account to 8,000, this person here, they'll pay you $230, right? So basically what Social Trader does, people, like even like me, I buy a ton of accounts from Social Trading. Let me tell you why. Because I market online. Make sense? Let me show you something. If you go to categories here, and you go to luxury and motivation, okay? I buy a lot of these accounts because these are potential customers. So that means if you do this, it's highly likely that I will buy from you. Look at this. This person only has 2,000 followers and they're going to sell it to me for $130. I'm going to buy all of them. Does that make sense? Now, the question is this. How long does it take you to get this account that it has a bunch of followers, at least 1,000 to 2,000, put some pictures up, and start making money? 72 hours if you're motivated. Now, if you're lazy, it may take you for the rest of your life and you'll be broke forever. You can't be lazy doing this. But listen, I know a ton of people, including myself, that buy from this site. I know a ton of people, that's all they do for a living, okay? They make $500, $600 every single week, some per day, using this way to make money online. If you can do this, say, Wesley, I can do this right now, in the comments below. Let's go. Now, check it out. If you go to categories, I'm gonna give you another way. If you go to luxury and motivation, this is very popular here. And say, if you say, you know what, I want to do this for luxury and motivation to this category because it's a very popular category. You do the same thing that I told you before. You create a new account, okay? I just want to reiterate myself. Smash the like button if you're getting value. Let's go! Listen, you go here, okay, to the cat, not to the cat site. You type in like rich lifestyle, rich life. Because what we're looking for a page that have a bunch of followers, all right? Look at that Ronaldo, my guy here. Look at that, scroll down, let's scroll down. Let's scroll down. Ooh, she look good. Ooh. Look, scroll down here, rich lifestyle. So what we're looking for pages that have high engagement, right? That are targeted to the people that we're gonna follow here, okay? Let's try the word millionaire, okay? Millionaire mentor. This is the page here. Okay, they got 6.4 million followers. So what are you gonna do? What's the first step? Create a new Instagram account, okay? What's the second step? You wanna go to this page and you wanna take his most popular post, either a picture or a video. You can always go to this site to download the actual media. Just go to downloadinstagramvideo.com. You can download Instagram videos and pictures for free, okay? Is that cool? I know what you guys thinking. You say, Wesley, I love you. You're giving so much value. You deserve not only a like, you deserve a sub and a kiss. Listen, only if you're a beautiful woman, okay? Let's go, my guys. I give you one of those hugs. But look, it's so easy to do. Honestly, you just basically take this guy's popular post, okay? And this guy's probably doing it, to be honest with you. You take his popular post, and then you create something like Millionaire Mentor Now Instagram account or Millionaire Mentor Today. Then once you set up their account, right, for free, once you set up your account, all you need to do is go to his followers and just start following. See, I waited 10 to 15 minutes and now I can start following again, okay? So the key is to follow thousands of people, okay? Because you need to be able to get your new Instagram account that's gonna pull in all this cash from this site right here. Obviously, the more followers you have, the more money you make. It's just how it is. It's up to you. Guess what? This is why you like me right now. It was no money, no skill. All you need is a phone. You can do it on an iPad. You can do it on your computer. It doesn't matter. And some work ethic, okay? You can do this. Are you nodding your head yes? You bet yes, Wesley. Man, I love you, Mr. Virgin. Hey, I love you too. This is Wesley, billion dollar virgin. Let's go! Motivated, dedicated. Let's go. Love you guys. Let's go.